If TikTok keeps showing the Find Similar feature whenever you pause on a video, you can easily turn it off from the app settings. Start by opening TikTok and heading to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top corner and select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Playback, then tap on it. On the next screen, find the option labeled Display Object Tags. This setting is responsible for showing similar objects and related suggestions on videos. Simply turn this option off, and TikTok will stop displaying the Find Similar feature when you pause on videos. That's all it takes. The change should apply immediately, giving you a cleaner viewing experience without those extra suggestions. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.